Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. And if you didn't watch part 1, please watch part 1 under tag cuts, and it shows you how to make tag cuts. So we have a bunch of boxes, but we have tag cuts behind there. So, because I just showed how you could put the name inside the boxes, or your name or your text or your graphic in the center. But then you're going to have to go and erase all these boxes. You don't want to do that. Go up to Edit, Find and Replace. And in every Corel's different. This is 2020, and I think 19 was the same. It's going to be a little bit different. But edit the query and go to Outline Properties and double click on the text part of the Outline Properties. And we're going to find colors, and we want black, RGB black, and we're going to have OK, and we're going to go find all. And it's only finding the outlines, and then hit delete. You got rid of all those black boxes that quick. And then this is tag cuts that would cut out all these names, and I just duplicated a bunch of names through there to just make it. But if you didn't watch part 1, tag cuts is pretty cool. It allows you to save a lot of laser time because you're only cutting one line instead of 2. I bet it would cut this in less than half the time. Well, a lot less than half the time, I think. Anyway, that's part 2. Hope that helped a little bit.